Hey there, want your website climbing the search rankings? Well, in this video, we're going to be looking at 10 website SEO key performance indicators to improve your ranking. Now, these aren't dry metrics reports. They're going to tell you if your site's visible and it's showing up in search results, if it's attracting visitors and turning searches into real traffic for your site, whether it's engaging and keeping your visitors hooked on your content, and if it's converting them into clicks and actions that you really care about. Now, don't worry, I'm going to break it all down, and I'm even going to show you the tools to track these KPIs right now. Now, if you'd like an easy to understand guide to Google Analytics, we've created a beginner's guide that demystifies GA4. It explains key reports and it helps you to get on track to get your website to success. Now, just go to monsterinsights.com/YTVIP to download the free copy, and you'll also get 50% off of Monster Insights. Now, let's jump right into the list. So you've probably heard of search visibility or organic visibility, right? Well, it's basically how easy it is for people to find your brand when they're searching on Google or some other search engine. Now, to see your search visibility, you'll need to use Google Search Console and look under impressions under the search results report. Now, if you want to go even deeper, then check out SEMrush. With SEMrush, you can see your visibility score, estimated traffic from ranking keywords, top ranking keywords, average keyword position, and a lot more. And if you're a WordPress user, Monster Insights makes it super easy to see your Search Console reports, top 50 search terms, clicks, click through rate, and average search position, so you can see what's ranking and use that data to start making decisions about how to bring more traffic to your site. Curious about how many visitors find your site through search engines? Well, that's organic traffic, a key SEO KPI. Now, to track your success, you can look at your organic traffic report in Google Analytics. All you have to do is navigate to reports and then to acquisition and then to traffic acquisition and then find organic search. Now, this is going to show the visitors who found you through search engines during the period that you've chosen. And you can dive even deeper and see which pages that they land on by exploring the report even further. Now, if you're a WordPress user, you can streamline things a bit by using Monster Insights at the plus level or above. All you have to do is just go to your dashboard and click on the Traffic Overview Report drop down, and then click on Source Medium, where you're going to see your traffic sources, your sessions, your engaged sessions, page sessions, purchases, conversion rate, and revenue. And you'll want to keep track of your organic traffic and compare it to previous months to identify the trends and the issues and revise your SEO strategies and then make the adjustments when they're needed. Like to know which keywords are bringing visitors to your site? Well, keyword rankings are crucial for understanding your SEO performance and identifying traffic driving terms. Now, luckily, you don't need any fancy tools for this. You can just use Google Search Console. It's a free option that you can use. Just log in and head to your dashboard and then look under search results. And then you'll need to tick the average position box for a quick view of your keyword rankings. Now, if you're a WordPress user, using the plus level or higher of Monster Insights, you can easily see your Search Console report by going to Reports and then to Search Console. Then you'll see your top 50 Google search terms, the clicks, the impressions, and ranking positions right on your dashboard. Now, you can use that data to discover related terms and optimize your content for even better visibility. And by understanding your keyword rankings, you can start fine tuning your SEO strategy and you're going to attract more visitors to your site. So keep an eye on that KPI. Ever wonder how many visitors from search engines actually take action on your website? Well, that's where organic conversions come in. They track how many website visits coming from organic searches actually turn into actions like purchases and signups or contact form submissions and that sort of thing. So this reveals not only traffic volume, but also its quality. While attracting visitors is great, well, converting them is even better. Now, you can use Google Analytics to set up conversion tracking to monitor actions like purchases or signups, see how many organic visits are converting into real business volume. But setting it up can be a bit technical. Now, that's where Monster Insights makes it really easy. You can track conversions with just a few clicks. Just go to the publisher's report and then scroll down to find the clicks on your top affiliate links and top download links. Then you can use the e-commerce tab and see things like sessions, page views, conversion rate, transactions, revenue, and average order value. Scroll down a little bit and you're going to see your top products, the quantity, the percent of sales, and the total revenue. Plus, you can see your top conversion sources, total add to carts, total remove from cart, new customers, and abandoned checkout. Then you can click on the Forms tab and see data like form impressions, conversions, and conversion rate, and a lot more. Now, you can use all that data to discover what's really generating the most conversions and identify effective content and keywords, and then focus your energy on the tactics that are truly driving valuable actions on your website. Page and crawl errors aren't just frustrating for users, they're SEO disasters. Now, broken links like those that lead to 404s can really damage your rankings, search engine credibility, and your visitors. Now, the good news is fixing them is a breeze with automated tools. All in One SEO's broken link checker identifies both internal and external broken links so you can easily fix them. Plus, All in One SEO also checks your page index status and it offers clear fixes for all of your issues. Now, by tackling these crawl errors and ensuring proper indexing, you're not only going to improve your SEO performance, but you're also going to give users a smooth, frustration free experience. So that's a win for everyone. Site speed became a crucial ranking factor back in 2021 when Google introduced Core Web Vitals. Now, slow websites are going to frustrate your users and they're going to hurt your SEO rankings, especially on mobile devices. Now, you can use Google Page Speed Insights to keep an eye on your site speed, or if you're a WordPress user, you can just use Monster Insights, where you can check your site's performance on both desktop and mobile, and you'll see handy guides on how you can meet Google's requirements and improve your user's experience. Fast website is going to lead to higher search rankings and it's going to increase your traffic. Mobile usability is a big deal. Fact is, a website that isn't mobile friendly, well, it just isn't SEO friendly either. So you can see a breakdown of the types of devices visitors are using to visit your site in Google Analytics 4. Just head over to User and then to Tech and then to Overview for a detailed breakdown of users by device, mobile, desktop, and tablet. And you can see the same thing without even going to your analytics account by using Monster Insights. On the admin sidebar, just hover over Insights and then Reports, where you can see a basic breakdown of devices, and you can see even more by going to the Traffic tab and then click on Technology, and you're going to see both a browser and device breakdown. Now, you don't want to just track how many people are visiting your site. You'll also want to see how long they're sticking around. That's average engagement time. So, average engagement time reveals whether your content is keeping visitors engaged or sending them bouncing. And so, why is that so important? Well, short visits signal content that isn't meeting your users' needs, and it's going to hurt your SEO rankings and your traffic. Now, to see the average engagement time in GA4, just head to Engagement and then to Overview to see how long visitors stay engaged with your content on average. Ever wonder if users actually click on your site in search results? Well, your click through rate reveals how many do. While impressions are going to show how often you appear, the key metric here is click through rate or CTR. It compares the clicks to impressions and it tells you how well your site grabs attention. You can use Google Search Console to see how many people see your site in search results and the number of times users click on your website from those results. Having high impressions but low clicks? Then revisit your title and your meta description and make them more engaging and informative to entice more clicks. Now remember, a better CTR makes search engines happy, leading to more traffic. So optimize these elements and watch your sites climb in the search ladder. Internal and external links are the lifeblood of your SEO strategy. You can think of external links like votes of confidence. Now, when other websites link to yours, it's going to boost your domain authority, which is going to tell search engines that you're a trusted source. And the higher your domain authority, well, the higher you'll rank. On the other hand, internal links connect your pages, sharing linking power and making it easier for visitors to find relevant content. That's going to keep them engaged and it's going to lower your bounce rate, so it can really boost your SEO. Now, while social shares don't directly affect your ranking, they can extend your reach and potentially generate even more external links. Here again, Google Search Console allows you to see top linking sites and explore specific links that you've received from each domain. Now, in WordPress, you can use Monster Insights to view your top 10 referrals in the Overview report, and then you can click on the Traffic Report tab and then click on Social to see the report details, where you'll find the sessions, page views, network sessions, engaged sessions, bounce rate, purchases, revenue, and conversion rate without ever leaving your WordPress dashboard. So, having a variety of links like external and internal links and social shares is a SEO powerhouse that's going to drive traffic, improve user experience, and skyrocket you in search engine results and visibility. You remember at the beginning, I was talking about climbing the search ladder. But there's one key piece that's missing. You need to take action to turn those insights into real traffic gains. So, in my next video, I'm revealing 5 powerful SEO tips that you can use to skyrocket your website's traffic. You'll learn practical strategies about how to craft irresistible content that search engines love, optimize your site for lightning fast speed, and much more. Ready to unleash the full potential of your website? Well, click on this next video. Watch it now.